Then
What'd you?
Hey, what did you tell Joe? What'd you tell Joe?
Just nothing. The hair is broken.
His hair's broken?
Yeah.
What do you mean his hair's broken?
What?
What happened?
I know.
Oh.
I got my hair on.
You got your hair on?
Is your hair broken? No. My hair is still on. Is Joe's hair broken? Yeah.
Where did it go, Landon?
He just took off.
Took his hair off? Yeah. Should he put it back on?
She's crying. Do the video of her.
Do you think?
Poor Joe.
What, Aiden?